Hi there, hope you all doing well. I am back with Snake Eyes from the Steampunk Extras set for Zombicide Undead or Alive. This guy is pretty close to the same style as Jeans, so there's just a lot of excessive detail on him again. To get started, I black and white Zenithal primed in and then got started with all of the clothing using black grey, except for the shirt. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I add in some highlights to the dark clothing with Dungeon Stone Grey from Two Thin Coats. For his exposed skin, I went for Barbarian flesh as the base layer. His shirt, hair and all the extra details around the jacket are done with silver grey. To start highlighting up the skin, I came in with Elven flesh for all of those raised parts. Like Jeans, he has a scarf and a belt, and these are done with Demon Red as the base coat. All the leather straps and belts are done with Ancient Forest. As usual, the base gets a once over with Plague Brown. To add some highlights to the red, I tried out Rust Orange this time around. For all the metal parts, I get started using Mythril Blade from Two Thin Coats. Some of the metal parts are a gold colour, so I went for Dragon's Gold on these parts. The whole mini now gets a wash using light tone wash. I do come back and wick off some of that on the hair just so it doesn't stain too much. Finally, the base gets finished off with Sandy Desert texture paste. And that will be it for Snake Eyes. Another one from the set is a little too detailed for the casting process, but I do like the armor around the legs, as a lot of the detail on there can just be painted in metal and it looks fine. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.